Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Today's install day for the coilovers, and it is currently 4 in the morning and it's already fucking hot. So let's go ahead and get started before it gets even hotter. Alright, so that concludes today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you like and share the video, I really appreciate it. Yeah, we're almost at 100 subscribers and I'm super excited because I didn't think the page would actually grow on its own. I've done no sort of advertising or, you know, like promoting it on like Instagram or TikTok, even though I don't even have TikTok. But yeah, thank you anyways. And yeah, see you guys next time.